Hello friends, welcome again in this IBM session, and in this session we discuss about the difference in the packed and zone data types, right? So basically a packed means is uh, is a default data type, right? So if you did not declare a P on a field, right? So a packed decimal data type means that each byte of storage, except the low order byte, can contain two decimal numbers. The lower order byte contains one digit in the leftmost portion and the sign positive in the rightmost portion. Right. So this is something to say the low order byte, right? And we have one byte has 4 bits, right? So this is 4 bit and this is 4 bit, right? So here on the on the leftmost bit there should be a sign. This should be a positive or negative. So if we have F, if we have positive, then we have a F, and if we have negative, we have a D, right? And the length and in the left, the lower byte on the right side, there should be a value, right? And the rest of them, there can be a two values for each byte. So for example, if we have the byte, if we have a length of 4, right? So how or consider length of 3 here. So we have a 3 digits and one is a sign, so we have to declare uh, 30. So 2 bytes can be used for it, right? Okay. And if we have 4, so then again for 4 0, for 4 P0, again we need one more, so 3 byte need to be declared. So it means to say, right, because there should be one for the sign even, right? So the 3 byte need to be used. Okay, so this is very very crucial, that why and how many bytes will be used for them. So basically for the packed, if you see that if you use the odd number digits, right, so it will be always better, plus 1 will be a sign. So if you use 3, then there should be a 3 plus 1 and divide by 2, so it will be 2 bytes, right? So that is one very important thing, right? The sign of the lower order by indicate whether numeric value presented in the digit portion is positive or negative. So this is something need to be known about the packed decimal. So on the right and the leftmost lower byte, you can see this sign here, rightmost. So here it will be a negative sign. For zone data types again, this is very important. In zone, we say that, for example, if you declare 3 bytes, then the 3 digits, then 3 bytes will be stored, and for each byte there will be the sign and the number. So this is something how to declare the zone. So there for zone and digit, this is 1 byte, and for zone value, this 4 bit, and for digit again this is a 4 bit, right? So zone is something where you declare the negative or positive values, right? And and right on the leftmost, this column, this will actually represent the actual sign for this. For means the minus is for the hexadecimal D, and for plus it will be the hexadecimal F, right? So this is something known. So for example, if you see, if we declare the value of 3 0, so there will be a 3 byte, right? So everybody, for example, you declare 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 means that 1 2 and 3, right? And if there is positive, then there should be F F and F, right? But if you declare minus 1 2 3, then it will be 1 2 3 and will be F F and D. So here the D will be, and this indicate that this should be the minus 1 2 3. So that is that is very difference in packed and zone. So the zone portion of the low order byte indicate the sign positive or negative of the decimal number. The standard sign use the hexadecimal F for the positive and hexadecimal D for the negative numbers. So as in the previous session also, we have seen that for if we declare this value, for example, in the packed, and here you can see there is F, right? And again in this packed F, right, this is again a positive value. But if you see for the negative values, right, so here is D and here is D. So the length is the storage means the mainly the storage difference, means the difference between packed and zone. So packed means to say if you declare a zone of length 10 and again a packed of length 10, so the packed will take the 6 bytes, however the zone will take the 10 bytes. So that is very, very important. So, this is a basic difference. So it always depends on the application, that how you, what field need to be declared as packed and what field not be declared as packed, because we don't want the data to use more size in the memory, right? So it is very important to understand the data what need to be declared as packed and zone, right? So let's take some questions. What is the buffer length for packed field of length and 11? For example, if you have a length 10 and 11, so what should be the actual length for the packed variable? So this will be 6 bytes, because for 10 bytes, right? So for each byte there's 2 and 1 for sign, so it will be 11. So it's for 6 bytes. For 11 also is 6 bytes, right? But if you declare for zone, this will be 10 bytes and again it will be 11 bytes, right? What is the default value for numeric? If you declare default, you don't declare as packed or zone, then the default will be the packed only. So this is something, the basic difference. This is the between a packed and zone. So it's just a memory storage, that how the data is when you declare packed, how the value is stored in the memory. So this is all about the basic difference between a packed and zone. And thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel if you like me. Thank you. Bye.